You are now tuned into the Miami Man Cave Show with your hosts, Jeff Fox, breaking down all of today's sports news and breaking the internet. Live from Miami and brought to you by Remix Sports Media.
What's up, everybody? It's your man, Jeff Fox, the Miami Man Cave. We are in beautiful Bayside in Miami. We're about to get on board the Royal Princess, and we're about to do it big. We're about to celebrate Black excellence. We've got entrepreneurs, we've got athletes, we've got mad celebrities, and of course, right here at the Miami Man Cave. Let's do it. What up, everybody? This is your man, Jeff Fox. We are here in the Man Cave, right here, Remix Sports Media.
What I don't like about them, leave them dead people alone. Stop trolling.
Yeah.
Stop disrespecting the dead, man. Stop trying that other shit. That's what academic is doing.
Ooh.
Academic is
like the product. It's about the product. It's about creating a great product that people can enjoy.
Go be great.
Go be great, baby. That's my saying, baby. You always gotta go be great. No matter what's going on, go be great.
There's only one way to do it, man. The Miami Man Cave. This is it. Cheers. Cheers out.
This is Rohan from the Genesis Media Group, chilling in the Miami Man Cave with Jeff Fox. This is the Miami Man Cave Show.
Snyder celebrates his birthday from Black Market Luxury, one of our many sponsors here of the Miami Man Cave. So y'all be a whole lot of excitement, a lot of fun, and yours truly, Jeff Fox, man. I'm holding it down.
Breaking the internet, live from Miami and brought to you by Remix Sports Media.
Hi, I am Mayor Tamara James, and I survived the Miami Man Cave Show After Dark. Don't fuck it up.
No doubt. Welcome to the Miami Man Cave. The Honorable.
You can call me Tamara. I tell anybody, I put on my drawers just like anybody else. I'm a regular person, right?
National champion. I don't think he gave up a sack during his college football career. Super Bowl champion Brian McKinney is in there. Welcome to the Man Cave. Yeah.
I want to say something about that too.
And they can give their perspective. You know, the exclusive we have with Reggie Bush, talking about losing his Heisman in the NCAA probe and how it was tremendously one-sided. You know, he viewed I Am Athlete as that safe space to finally tell his story.
I started at first thinking I was an R&B singer.
Right.
I was out there like, right corner, word up, right corner 3, splash,
Splash!
bam, down the middle.
It's your boy Brian McKinney. I survived the Miami Man Cave Show, hosted Jeff Fox. Make sure y'all tune in and subscribe.
When they told me you were coming to the Man Cave, I said that's gonna be one, you know. And number two, man, what's it been like for you as an artist coming out of 305 to working with Diddy and all that stuff? Amazing. I play your music in the Foxy Lady.
Honestly, man, coming from the crib it's an amazing thing. You gotta come to South Beach. You know what I'm saying?
You gotta come to the Man Cave. You gotta.
Exactly.
This is the Miami Man Cave.